This is the best formula to treat the obesity and to reduce the bad cholesterol.
Lemon, ginger, green tea powder, jeera, that is cumin seeds, cinnamon, that is dalchini, and honey. Lemon, it is a weight loss agent. It keeps your body hydrated. 1 glass of lemon water burns a minimum of 6 calories. It is lower in calories and rich in vitamins. It has lots of antioxidants that involved in fighting free radicals, defend us from foreign bodies. Helps in treating allergies, improves immune system, prevents development of various cancers. Pepper, black pepper loaded with vitamin A, C, K, minerals and healthy fatty acids and works as a natural metabolic booster. It contains papaverine, helps in reducing fatty acids, triglycerides, phospholipids, cholesterol it reduces in the plasma and lipid profile. Helps in elevating good cholesterol and reduce the formation of new fat cells in the body. Pepper is a storehouse of uncountable health benefits. Ginger. It's called as Vishwa Bheshaja. It contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant effects. It reduces oxidative stress. It is helpful in treating various types of nausea, morning sickness. It reduces BMI, body mass index, and it helpful in preventing type 2 diabetes. It helps in treating chronic indigestion, significantly reduce menstrual pain and lowers the cholesterol level. Here we are adding 1 teaspoon of ginger, that is 5 ml. Green tea must be added in the last. So first you have to boil cinnamon pepper and the jeera powder till 3 to 4 minutes. So take a container and add 1.5 glass of water and add cumin, cinnamon and the pepper powder. Here cumin seeds, it can aid your digestion by increasing the activity of digestive enzymes in your gut. It's an effective weight loss remedy. It is rich in iron. 1 tablespoon contains 1.4 mg iron. Manage diabetes and reduce inflammation in the body. It helps in fat reduction. It's cinnamon, one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. It affects on blood glucose levels. It can also help your body to lose your weight. It is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of cinnamon helps to lose weight by promoting overall health of your body. Let it boil for 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add green tea. Because if you boil green tea more, it leads to bitter taste. Green tea contains healthy bioactive compounds. It increases fat burning, contain lots of antioxidants. It may lower the risk of some cancers, reduce bad breath, prevent type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. It contains important molecules called polyphenols. Polyphenols able to prevent inflammation and the swelling. So 2% to 4% caffeine in the green tea, it affects thinking, alertness, increases urine output, It improves functions of brain messengers, important in Parkinson's disease. It increases in the release of chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters. So lemon you must add in the last. Filter it nicely. If you need, you can dilute this drink with another half glass of water. Lastly, 2 spoons of honey, because honey, 1 tablespoon of honey is equal to 64 calories. That is 21 grams of honey equal to 64 calories. It is rich in antioxidants. It includes organic acids and phenolic compounds like flavonoids. It lowers the bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and decreases the inflammation. It raises the good cholesterol. Because antioxidants link to reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, some types of cancers. So I would like to add another half of the lemon also. (20 ml twice a day doses. If you use this drink daily, definitely within a month it leads to 3 to 4 kgs one can reduce their weight. This drink is useful for detoxification, and even in severe illnesses also you can use this drink. It boosts metabolism and the immunity. You can have this drink.